Okay, so I am always getting asked the same exact question in a lot of my videos, not just for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but for other devices as well. And that question is, what wallpaper am I using? Where do I get my wallpapers from? Can I share the link for my wallpaper? Well, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all where I am currently getting my wallpapers for my Galaxy S23 Ultra and other devices as well. And you can find cool wallpapers like what you're seeing right here. This is actually a live wallpaper of Spider-Man just kind of, hanging upside down from the punch hole camera cutout up there of the S23 Ultra. Also got my dude Spider-Man up here in the left corner to help us out with this video. As you can see, this is kind of Spider-Man themed to start this off. So there's actually two apps that I use. Oh, and before I get started, I also get the question, what case are you using in this video? So the case I am currently using right now is a case by Thinborn. This is their super thin, as you can see right there, aramid fiber case. Very, very cool looking case. And I really like that they give us some camera protection there, as you can see. Very cool case, but I will have a full video out on that. No, this is not sponsored, but if you do find yourself interested in that case, I'll have a link down in the description below. But let's go and go into my two apps. So the two apps that I currently use for wallpapers is Wallpapers, which is specifically made for the S23 Ultra, and Wallsy. So let's go ahead and get started with Wallpapers right here. As you can see, I had just got done setting it to the Spider-Man right here before this video, but they got tons of apps to choose from, or not apps, but tons of wallpapers to choose from, specifically made for the S23 Ultra to kind of hide that punch hole camera cutout up top or kind of use it in a way. And as you can see right here, it does say S23 Ultra. I can keep scrolling, it'll keep saying S23 Ultra. So just to kind of give an idea, if I click on this one right here, look at that. So it has the Pokeball up there that kind of uses that camera punch hole cutout up there to make it look like it's part of the wallpaper, giving you that true all screen experience right there. Very, very cool. Let's go and we'll go ahead and take a look at a couple here. So you got Wally right here, just kind of hanging from the camera cutout up there. Let's see, what else do we got? What else? Let's see, we got any Wonder Woman fans? It's using the Justice League logo up there. It's got that camera punch out. You can't even see it because it hides it really, really well. Very cool. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, we got Thor right here. Let's see. What's your favorite Avenger? Let me know. I gotta say, my favorite superhero is Spider-Man. If you haven't noticed, that's been my favorite superhero since the very first movie. Let me know what yours is down in the description, down in the comment sections below. But very cool. Look at this right here. And the colors on these wallpapers, they just pop, especially on this beautiful display. I mean, they look really, really good. Let's see, what else? What else? We got any Flash fans? Got another Justice League logo up there, up top, hiding that camera punch hole cutout. Let's see what else. Got any Dragon Ball fans? Dragon Ball Z. There we go. We got Vegeta. Oh, and take a look at this. So some of these are paid. So if I go to the live wallpapers here, we got one of Goku for you Dragon Ball Z fans out there, or Dragon Ball Super. Actually, right here, look at this. We got Goku right here. This is a live wallpaper. So it's got that, his little beam up there. What is that? The spirit bomb? I don't know what he's got up there, but it's kind of spinning around in circles. If you can see right there, I'll go ahead and hold it up close. Very, very cool, actually. Let's go ahead and go back. Tons of live wallpapers as well. And it's very easy to set. So let's see, if I pick this one right here, for the live wallpapers, it does take a little bit of time to load up because they are moving wallpapers, as you can see right there. Very cool. But if you do want to set one up, you can just press it down there on the little picture. It'll come up, press set wallpaper. You can either set it just as your home screen or your home screen and your lock screen. So for this, we'll just put the home screen. Let's go home. Look at that. And that's what that's going to look like. Looking really cool on this display right here. Very, very cool. Let's go ahead and go back. Let's look at a non-live wallpaper. Let's go ahead and set a non-live wallpaper. We can also look at what's trending as well, what's on fire right now. Let's see, what's gonna look cool. Okay, we got How to Train Your Dragon right here, and this is gonna help hide that punch hole camera cutout up there. Set home screen. Let's go home. Boom. Look at that. And you can't notice unless you're looking really, really close, but it looks like it's part of one of his eyes right there. So again, very cool. Let's see. And as you can see, they have tons and tons and tons to choose from. And then they also got these abstract ones right here. I know a lot of you like these right here. I show these a lot on the channel. Let me go ahead and set home screen. Look at that. Boom. Very cool. So that is one of the apps that I use, Wallpapers. I'll leave a link for it down in the description below so you can check it out. Let's go to the next one, Wallsy. Now this is an app that I use if I want more of a clean look to my home screen when it comes to the wallpaper. They got a lot of clean looking wallpapers on here. So I do have the green Galaxy S23 Ultra. So if I want to give it a nice clean look and kind of match that, let's go with this. Green Parallax 2. All I have to do is apply, set home screen. Okay, it's applying right now. Let's go ahead and go home. Boom, now I have a nice clean look to that home screen right there. Let's check out another one. Let's see, maybe I want to do a gray blue. Apply, set to home screen. Okay, let's go home. See, it should change right now. Boom, got that gray blue right there looking really nice on this display. But they also have a lot of other ones to choose from as well. And you can see the creator's name down at the bottom. So this is actually by a buddy of mine, Ryda. He made a lot of these wallpapers right here. But if you keep scrolling, you can see there are other creators on here as well that have created other wallpapers. And very cool looking wallpapers as well. And then if you just want something plain, they just have, you know, just a flat color that you can choose from as well. But let's keep scrolling. These are by Ice Universe. So if you want a green mountain, set home screen. Okay, it's applying. Boom, look at that. Really cool look right there as well. Let's go ahead and scroll through just a few more here. And you kind of get the idea of the type of wallpapers that you will find on this app right here. Sometimes they do take a while to load up. But yeah, these are the apps that I use, Wallpapers and Wallsy. So as you can see, even on this one, they have some pretty cool looking wallpapers as well that give you that abstract look. So let's see, maybe I want to pick this one. We got live wire, apply, set home screen. Okay, and it's as easy as that, and it applies for you. So you can see it'll change up right now. It should be changing up here in a bit. Boom, look at that. Colors nice and vibrant. That's one thing I love about the display on the S23 Ultra is how the colors just pop. Beautiful, beautiful display. But we'll go ahead and scroll through just a little bit more here. I know there's really not anything much to show. You're really just here to see what apps I'm using. But for those of you who do want to kind of see what you're going to get before you actually download, I'll go ahead and just scroll through a little bit more here so you can see a lot of the options that they have available here. This is one that I've used right here. Kind of gives it like that bokeh effect look, kind of like that blur effect for the background of your home screen. We've got Samsung wallpapers here, Misty Lilac 2. Let's see, let's go ahead, Misty Lilac. Let's apply this one, set home screen, okay. And it should be applying, there we go, wallpaper applied, boom. There it is. So those are the two apps that I use, Wallpapers and Wallsy. For those of you who are always asking me, there you go. If you ask me again, I'll probably just link you right to this video. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If there's any other wallpaper apps that you personally use, just let me know down in the comments and I'll go ahead and check that out for myself as well. I'm always open to new things. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for Spider-Man for hanging out throughout this video. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.